Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm excited to share an amazing tutorial with all the crochet and plant enthusiasts out there. I'll be showing you how to create a stunning hanging plant holder that can add some serious style to any room. And to make it even more special, I'll take you on a trip to one of my favorite cute shops, nurseries in town, where I'll choose the plants for the hanging holder. So, let's get started. We're gonna start with a slip knot and chain 4. Now we're gonna slip a stitch in the first chain from the hook to form a ring. Now we're gonna make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna make 2 double crochets into the ring. And 2. Now we're gonna chain 3, and this is the corner space. Now we're gonna repeat, make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. And with this, we finished the second group of 3 double crochets, and this first chain 3 right here counts as double crochet. Now we're going to repeat around, and we're going to end up with 4 of these groups of 3 double crochets. And now to join, we're going to slip a stitch in the third chain from the beginning chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, and we do slip a stitch. Now we're going to join the next color in any chain 3 space right in the corner. Now we're going to chain 3, and remember this counts as double crochet. Now we're going to make 2 more double crochets, all in the same chain 3 space. Now we're going to chain 3. Now we're going to make the next group of 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm going to chain 1, and I go to the next chain 3 space where I repeat exactly the same 3 double crochets, and then chain 3, and I repeat 3 more double crochets. Same thing, that is the corner done right there. I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to repeat around. Now I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to slip a stitch to join in the third chain from the beginning chain 3. I'm going to join color C, and I'm going to make chain 3 in any chain 3 space. Then I'm going to make 2 more double crochets, then I'm going to chain 3, and I'm going to make 3 more double crochets, so the corner is done right there. Now we're gonna go to the next chain 1 space. We're gonna make 3 double crochets. Now we're gonna make chain 1 and we're gonna go to the next corner. We're gonna repeat exactly the same. 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. I love supporting local artists, and I got a beautiful planter from an artist in LA. It arrived today and I'm excited to show you. Adding plants and crochet to my routine makes me feel happy and calm. I think surrounding myself with handmade items like this planter brings positivity to my life. And now, let's keep crocheting. And we're gonna make chain 4. Now we're gonna slip a stitch in the first chain and form a ring. Here we're gonna start with a chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna make 2 double crochets into the ring, 1 and 2. Now we're gonna chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna repeat this around until we have 3 of these groups of 3 double crochets. So let's go to the next one. We make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3, and this is the second group. Now we're gonna chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and we make the last group of 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna make the last chain 3. Now we're gonna slip a stitch in the third chain from the beginning chain 3 to join. Now we're gonna join the next color in any chain 3 space. Right there, we're going to make chain 3 all in the same space. We're gonna make 2 more double crochets, 1 and 2. Now we're gonna chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We're gonna make 3 more double crochets in the same chain space. Now we're gonna chain 1 and we're gonna go to the next chain 3 space where we're gonna repeat exactly the same. So we're gonna make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna make another group of 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna chain 1 and we're gonna do exactly the same. If you are into crocheting, it's super important to take breaks every now and then to look after your body. I like burning Palo Santo to relax while doing my easy exercise to help prevent any injuries. I also visited a local store in town and I was so happy to explore all the unique plants they had to offer. After walking through the aisles and admiring the different cute handles, decoration items, I finally found a plant that just spoke to me. And I brought it home to display in my new crochet holder. But you'll have to stick around until the end of the video to see how you can create a beautiful and personalized addition to your home decor. Now we're going to start joining this square to the triangles, and we're going to use any method you want. We are facing the right side of this. So we're going to have to join this side of the square to this side of the triangle, and after that we join this side with this side, and we continue with the 4 squares. Guys, now we're going to start crocheting the borders, and we're going to start in one of these chain 3 spaces. Let's start here with chain 1, and then we're gonna single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet in the same space. Now we're gonna single crochet along the edging, but in this area, in the lower point, we are going to make a decrease. So I just got here to the lower part of my plant holder, and I'm gonna single crochet 2 together. I'm gonna insert my hook, yarn over. Now I have 2 loops in my hook. Now I'm gonna go ahead and insert the hook again, yarn over, and I have 1, 2, 3 loops in my hook. I'm gonna yarn over and pull through the 3. Now I'm gonna continue exactly the same with 1 single crochet until I get to this part. In this part, I'm gonna single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, and I'm just gonna repeat exactly the same around. So I'll meet you guys at the end. When we get to this point, we are going to chain 100, and we are going to connect this chain to the other side, and we're gonna do exactly the same with these 2 sides. Now I finished with the chain, and I'm right here at the other side, and I'm gonna slip a stitch right there. I'm gonna make 1 single crochet, and I'm just going to double the chain just to make it stronger. So just turn your work and start crocheting in the chain, in each chain across, so you end up with a thicker cord. So I'll meet you guys right at the end. Just make sure you slip a stitch. You can even slip a stitch 2 times to make it stronger, and then you can fasten off. I'm gonna start crocheting the chain again, and I'm gonna repeat exactly the same. The only difference is that I'm just gonna connect it right at the top. I'm just gonna slip a stitch, and just make sure you're not twisting the handle, and just slip a stitch right there, 1, and slip a stitch again in the second round, and then continue with the other half of the chain until you get to the other point, and just connect it there and make the second round exactly the same. You're gonna get the same thickness for that chain. So yeah, meet you guys right at the end. I hope you guys like it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. See you guys in the next video. Bye!